Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. I'm so glad that you are here today. Today we are covering the reconnaissance part, that is content discovery. Okay, I'm splitting this video into two parts. In first part we are going to explain about the theoretical concepts of this content discovery, what is content discovery, how this works, and in second part we are going to see the actually practical exposure of this all the content discovery tools on this machine. By the end of this video you are going to know that how actually professional penetration testers gathers the information from the online, that is to legal, because OSINT, because gathering the information from the for target for passively, that is very important for an penetration tester. And before finding the vulnerabilities, he finds all the he gathers all the information from the online. Let's go on a screen. Okay, Google Docking is one of the best and way to extract the information from the online. Why I'm saying it is the easiest and best way, because the search engine that itself allow you to find the sensitive information, means that is hidden by the users. Okay, it is giving some keywords, that is operators, that we mean it is operators. Site is there are multiple operators. Okay, for the particular domain you want, means you want only the results from the tcs.com, and you have to use this site along with the, as I have given here examples here, site with respect to colon with respect to the target name. Okay, this is how you find the information online using some Google Docking search engine. Okay, this is also one of the advantage for the hackers, because it is a very, what we say, easy, because it is easy to accessible to everyone. Okay, and next one is file type. Here you can see file type. You can extract the particular file types. Okay, you want only PDF file types, PDF files from a particular books you want. You can search that. You can search, and the search is like this. Okay, 1 minute I will show you. Okay, as you see here, I will type. Okay, I will type one thing, that is file type. Okay, file type space colon PDF. Okay, space. Write your what the book you want, book name. I will search for focus on, focus on what matters. Sorry, MATTERS, matters. Okay, you will see here this is what I have earlier searched for. You can see here is a PDF here. Every search that is came on this website is PDF versions. You can see this is also PDF. This is it is going to give only PDF versions. Okay, finding the robot.txt file. Okay, go to your any web browser and type any any website name and followed with the robots.txt, and you will find this file which reveals some sensitive domain locations. Okay, I will show you. As I said earlier here, that a map that is restricted rooms handed to the public. Here you can see here, this is all our maps, means all our subdomains which is handled to the public, but these are restricted. You can see disallow here, right? You know the groups here, groups like groups is one of the domain here, but you can't access that because it shows that disallow. Okay, this is a what robot.txt is. Let's move to the next, that is site mapping. Okay, you can see here sitemap.xml. Sitemap.xml is a file. 1 minute. Sitemap.xml is a file which is present on every web application. Okay, which reveals the structure of a website. What I said, structure of a website mean. I will show you here with an example of doing practical on a same google.com only. Okay, if you want to find the sitemap.xml file, and you have to go to at the end of the robot.txt file. Okay, you can see here it's a sitemap. You can see this, you can copy this and paste above your search engines. 1 minute. In search, you can see here this is a whole infrastructure of a google.com. Okay, This is what we say. Gmail is there, forms are there, slides are there, Google Slides are there, Google Sheets are there, right? That's one. Google Drive, Google Docs. These are all from the Google only. Okay, google.com. Okay, this is a basic thing about sitemap.xml file. Okay, which stores all the subdomains that are related to the google.com. Okay, is Favicon. Favicon is a small icon that is present on every web application on the title bar. You can see this one like this. This is a Favicon. This is a small icon which is customly added by the developers. If the developers has failed to add that icon, then it can disclose your framework of a web page. Then it can disclose the framework of that web page. Okay. Sorry for the mic. Okay. And the next one is HTTP headers. HTTP headers is which stores the server data, server version, and backend technology. What is used by the web application? As you see here, if you use the curl command with the following with the website name and v as an option, it will show you the some sensitive. It will show the some sensitive data if that particular website is vulnerable. Like it will show the some servers. It will show some x powered by means this is a what is programming language that is used by the web application. That is also it will also show the versions, right? By showing the versions, it is making it vulnerable, because when the hackers see the any PHP version of 7.4.3, he will going to find the exploit it in a on a internet. He will going to search for exploit, and he's tried to manipulate and he's tried to execute some commands on the particular websites like a cross-site scripting and all. This is how the HTTP headers works. That's the way. Always keep your server and what we say uh, PS it means server and programming languages versions updatedly always. Okay, this is a very sensitive data, especially the version that is revealing here, right? That's what you have to always update your versions. If these versions has some vulnerabilities, then he is going to try multiple techniques for your website. Okay. Okay. Next one is Wayback Machine. As you see here, this is a Wayback Machine. As its name says, Wayback Machine means going back to the machine, like that. Means it's like a time travel of a particular websites. Okay, you can see here archive of a past website versions. It will stores all the snapshots. That is older version of that particular website. Nowadays the Instagram, how that interface looks, right? Login page, that is not the first version. It is the latest version of that Instagram web page. Okay, but it is this Wayback Machine stores all the snapshots. I will show you that with respect to Instagram, how the old login pages have looked. Okay, let me go to the Chrome and show you. Type Wayback Machine, it will come here. This is what we say the website. Click on that. You will see here one search bar here. You can search any website, any URL you can put here. It's going to give the results to you. I'm going to do the Instagram.com. Okay, we'll see the results. Okay, you can see here this has started in 2004. Okay, this is the 2004. Actually, Instagram started in 2011, I think. As per my knowledge, it is started in 2011. You can see here this has the so much of snapshots, right? This is a bigger one, means there are multiple snapshots that are present here. Okay, as you can see here, this is the Instagram interface in 2011, and in 2011 it is firstly released for only iPhone people. iPhone. Okay, cool. Let it be. Next, they are switched to the like the Android. I think it's July or a June. I don't know. Go and try. Okay, go and try this. See how the Instagram, how the Google, how your college logo looks. Just explore it. Okay. And one more thing, I have given the one extra bonus tool link in the description. You can check out with that. And you have to explore by yourself, because when you explore by yourself you will get to know about that what exactly it is. Already attached a file link below in the description. That PDF file already contains the what is the tool about. Okay, because it is a very important to do the practicals here. Okay. uh, I will see you in the next video. If you are someone who is new here, subscribe to channel. Okay, I make video per week 3 times. Per week, I am going to upload one AI related video that is to be about cyber security. Be consistent, bro. Subscribe.